friend's boyfriend, well, it's a complicated relationship. I was meant to meet up with him at 1, but he just called me to say where I am, gdzie ty jesteś? Na bulwarze. Hey. Stay on live so we can say hi. No. Not everyone's comfortable around like cameras and stuff. I don't want to like do it. Cały dzień dziś na bulwarach? Nie. Tylko tam teraz. Tylko siedzieć. We are welcoming. No, I know you are. It's just not everyone's comfortable, you know. Dużo ludzi? Nie. Nie ma w ogóle. Guys, we have like 3 gifts left in the gallery if anyone can help out to complete it because we don't have long. And obviously I don't know when I'm gonna be next live, but I know they're a bit of a big ask, but if anyone's feeling generous on this beautiful sunny day, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah. Welcome back, Chris. Thank you, Chris. No, I'm just Nicola. See the view? Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, sure. If you complete the gallery, you can join the live. Oh my god, I've got people coming over. Look. See? Oh no. Do not even look at me, please. There's some weird young boys. Ew. Please don't look at me. Please don't look at me. Please don't stop. That's the thing. Please don't stop. One sec. Is it actually warm? Yeah. Can you not see? Like, I don't even need my hoodie. Like, I could easily just be in like a long sleeve top. Brazil. Thanks. Poland is nice. What's the temperature? I think it's like 16. I think it's meant to be 16 today. No, I don't have any sunglasses. That's the thing. I need to get some. No, to be fair, yeah, you can have sun and be cold. Yeah, no, but it's like a perfect temperature. Hey, Chris. Jak wcześniej po pierwszym dniu, no wiesz co, to jest dopiero mój pełny dzień najpierw, bo wczoraj przyleciałam po 20, zanim dojechałam to była 22 i trzeba było iść spać. Ale na razie mi się bardzo podoba. In which country? I'm in Poland. Hey, hey. You really suit black. I mean, thank you. I'm glad you say that because I like it. Most of my clothes are this colour. I am so blind. Oh my god, Chris. What are you doing? That was so cute. Thanks. Chris, I'll give you a follow because you seem very kind. You don't have to do this. What's your zodiac sign? I'm Sagittarius. Born in December, baby. Right before Christmas. I don't know how long it's going to take him to get here. Anyone's feeling like sending 5 hearts or 2 DJ glasses or 1 meteor shower? Ooh, need to complete that. If anyone knows how to check my gift gallery, can you go check it? Who are we waiting for? My friend's boyfriend. He's signing a lease for an apartment, and I said I really don't have anything to do, so no, I do, Junior, trust me. Thank you for the 3 roses. Roughly? Is that? I'd probably fuck that up. Oh my god, thanks for them hurt me. Yeah. Hey. I really hope this wasn't dirty because I sat on it with my blue jeans. It's gonna be awkward if I get up and my ass is dirty. That's not gonna be fun. But yeah, no. Oh my god, Chris, shut the frick up. I think the friend's here. Thank you! What the hell? Is he here? I'm trying to see if he's here. I'm from Poland. Chris, I missed it! Oh my god! Oh, train! Oh, can you see a train? Yeah! Choo choo! I did miss the gate! Ah! Let's go, Chris. What the hell? Thank you. That's crazy. Why are they looking at me? Stop looking at me. What am I looking at? I'm looking if my friend's here. Because I don't want to be on the live when he gets here. Guys, we need one more to complete the gift gallery. We need a meteor shower and then we complete it. Thank you, Darth Vader. Oh, I think that's him pulling up. I said don't blame me for missing them for that view. Yeah. I'm from Poland. I'm currently in Poland, but I live in the UK. I think he's here actually, because I can hear very loud music. And he usually listens to very loud music. Hi, Suchi. I think I pronounced it right. Guys, do we think we can get it today? Like now, the meteor shower?